In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clear the cache in your Mozilla Firefox browser. Over time, your browser stores temporary files from websites to help them load faster, but this data can eventually become outdated or corrupted, leading to slow performance or display errors. Clearing your cache is a simple maintenance step that can resolve these issues and ensure you are seeing the most recent version of the websites you visit. To begin, open your Mozilla Firefox browser on your desktop. Once the window is open, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on the application menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Settings. This will open a new tab with your browser configuration options. On the left-hand sidebar, click on the Privacy and Security tab. Now scroll down through the page until you reach the section titled Cookies and Site Data. Within this section, click on the Clear Data button. A small pop-up window will appear with 2 checkboxes. Click the drop-down on top asking When and select Everything. To clear only the cache, uncheck the box for Cookies and Site Data and make sure the box for Cached Web Content is selected. Once you have confirmed your selection, click the Clear button at the bottom of the window. Your browser cache is now completely cleared. You can close the Settings tab and refresh any open pages to see the changes. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech tips. If there is a specific topic or another browser issue you would like me to cover, please leave a comment down below.